In front of the National Museum of Belgrade there is a monument of great Prince Mikhail Obrenovich. So the descendants remember his by this picture, for example. He was born in 1823 and died in 1867. His first reign ended with his overthrow in 1842 and another with his death. Great this person, why? Because at his presence Serbia how to say got independence from Ottoman Empire, and during his reign Serbia became an independent country and rise up to the level of the European countries, of the leading European countries at that time. So this is National Museum, and what we can see here. Generally, the museum, as we already noted, that is really gorgeous, and a lot of granite, everyone, and we understand because this museum was under the reconstruction during 15 years, from 2003 up to 2018. So I understand that Serbia government invested a lot of money into this reconstruction. Anyway, initially archaeology department, as usual, the rest of bones, some animals, and I want to draw attention to this toy. This toy is made from stone. Okay, I understand that this is not granite, for example, stone, maybe some soft stone, but anyway, to cut such a toy at this time, I think masters should be very high quality. Next, some shot department of antique periods, different sculptures without legs and hands, heads and arms and legs, as usual, different pots. And there is some, let's to say, safe room, like in bank. And in this room there are different coins from silver and gold. Medieval age department. By the way, in this museum you can take English-speaking guide, but you need to take care in advance, because as I understood, especially in season, because I understood there are maybe 1 or 2 English-speaking guide in museum only. If you want to find more, you need to ask in advance. And in this museum also there is Egypt department. Yeah, it's strange, but there is, I don't know, some pharaohs and bubbles even. Maybe some process brought this piece from Egypt just for collection. And on the last floor there is an art gallery and different pictures and anyway there are well-known European masters like Van Gogh, for example. Yeah, I found it. And but anyway, no any photos or videos can give you feelings of the soul of these pictures and what really well-known painters did when they created such pieces of art. So, National Museum of Belgrade.